What's up, guys? Welcome back to Budget Rebuilds. We're back on our 100th anniversary project bike, and it's awesome. It runs great. Can't believe that. No leaks, nothing to worry about. But now we can go ahead and start doing the cool stuff. We got some 18-inch 8s for it. I went ahead and slapped on the 21-inch front wheel just so that we had something to set it up with. And what else we got? We got some stretch bags to put on, and still got to get a seat coming. And we got some light stuff to do, but we'll go ahead and get started on the handlebars, get these old goofy looking beach bars off of here, and get our new bars wired up.
Everybody knows it's spoken on the radio. There is a truth in the lies. I dare to leave you twice. There's no tomorrow here. I feel like I'm all out of time. So tell me you stay behind and make sure I get to the end. I hope you can see in the dark. It only takes just a little spark to fill up my head with the lights. Lighting the path as I go. Everybody knows it's spoken on the radio. There is a truth in the lies. I dare to leave you twice. There's no
Now I can go ahead and get these old controls off, make a diagram for all my connectors, and install my wire extensions. So I've got my diagram made where all my wires go and what colors they are, so I can go ahead and depin the connectors and get those apart so that we can slide them out of the bars. And then we'll go ahead and take our screws loose, get our clutch perch off and our master cylinder, and then our controls up here, and start moving them. Well, get them stretched first and then move them over to the new bars.
step. Returning is not the way for me. Only a mile to go. Somewhere I belong. I see it clearer now. I feel like I'm all out of time. So tell me you stay behind and make sure I get to the end. I hope you can see in the dark. It only takes just a little spark to fill up my head with the light. Oh yeah.
Here's one side out, sort of.
Deep down.
Yahtzee. Alright. Now we can go ahead and solder in our new wire extensions. So, got my wire stretched here, got them all taped up. I went over all of it with electrical tape so nothing rubs through and gets any shorts. Then I've tied and I've done this in some of my other videos, but I'm just going like a quick overview of how I do this. Take a wire, tape it up to the end of the control wires, and then just tie a nut to the end, and I'll drop this nut in the end of the bars and just feed it through. Hopefully, that's usually how it goes. Sometimes it's easier than others. Let's see. So this is my right side.
I fell out of my mind. Got too close, can't deny. Where have you been all my life? It's a sin, love
I finally got it. Now I'm just going to try to shove these wires through as I pull down here and try not to pull the wire out of the tape. Hopefully. Now to the other side. We're going to do the same thing, drop the nut through, and just work with it until we get it pulled through. Went ahead and got the front wheel on there. We've got the handlebars just bolted on there. We're still going to do some, leave all the stuff loose up here so we can do some adjusting once I get my seat so I can get it where I want it. Wires are ran. Now I'm going to go ahead and run the throttle cables. I already have the tank on here and I don't want to have to pull it all apart and stuff, so I think I can run the throttle cables through, just take this stuff off and get them hooked up. We'll see. I've got the pull cable in, I think. Let's see. Damn, I can't get it in there. I really don't want to take this tank off again. Really don't want to take this tank off again. Maybe I can just take the back bolt loose back here and set something underneath it so I can get a little bit of leverage. Now we have our pull cable in here. Now for the return. And for these 18-inch bars, I ordered 10 over cables because that's what I did on the last one. It seemed to work out just fine. Not sure if that's right or not, but it worked for me. So I was able to get a hold of it with a pair of needle noses and get it ran up in there. And we're in there. Almost. Now we're in there. Cool. We'll go ahead and hook up our cruise control. I'm gonna go ahead and leave all this stuff apart while I'm wiring up these, while I'm wiring up the bars in case anything comes loose. And this cruise harness or cruise cable's got a connector on it for your cruise control, or a cutoff switch, I guess it is. Let's go ahead and get the bike lower down and start working on getting our controls on there the rest of the way. Got some nice new Avon grips for this thing. Finally got those things started in there. Now I can go ahead and get those things bolted together. So we got a brake line here, our new brake line.
This is something.
Alright, just gonna make sure everything still works now. Yep. Alright, turn signal. Everything's still working. Alright, good deal. Now we can move over to the clutch side. Got that set on there. I'm gonna try to make these even on both sides. Clutch cable I'm going to run, I guess, behind here. And we'll go right there. There. Looks a little goofy. Oh, gonna have to work. If I use these bars again, 10 inches over might be a little bit too long for the clutch cable. There we go. Cool. Now we have a clutch. I'll try to get that routed a little bit better so that it doesn't poke out quite so far. Our 18-inch apes are on and wired and cabled. Just need some adjustment on the throttles, the clutch, and we can go ahead and finish putting our lights together, and then we'll put all the rest of the chrome trim on. And then should be pretty close to putting the bags on, I guess, ready to test ride it. Oh, and the front fender. Forgot about that.